again, my dear friends. I'm Kavaljit Kaur, your companion on this journey of learning English and honing our communication skills. In my two previous videos, I have shared some of the tips with you. Whether we belong to a basic level or we are intermediate level learners, the English we have learned so far is mismatching inside our minds. So we have to begin from somewhere. So it's better that we prepare our own blueprint and begin from the beginning. And that beginning is you start acquainting yourself with whatever you see around with their English names. This was the thing which was discussed in my two previous videos. That first thing is you start learning everything you see around, you start learning their English names. Whether you are sitting at home or you are on the road or you are at your workplace. So what kind of things you see around, whatever comes in your mind, try to learn their English names. Now the problem comes that how to do that, because मुझे तो उतनी English आती नहीं है, मुझे सभी नाम English में आते नहीं हैं. Then what to do? For that, what you are to do, I'm not going to mention or name any of the apps here. Do the simple thing. आपको जो name नहीं आता है, simply you fill up that name in the Google बार में जाइए, वो name भरिए and immediately you will come up with the results. I tell you this thing by narrating some incident. Like every day whenever I'm coming home from my workplace, you know these are very summer days. And the most of the time when I'm coming back, the sun is very intense. And some stretch of my road, a number of times I find I'm the only person who is driving my car. I won't find anything, any vehicle ahead of me or at my back. And this thing was going on and I was just practicing my speaking skills. I was talking to myself and all of a sudden it came to my mind that how to say, आज सड़क बड़ी सुनसान है. Now you see this sunsan word is a very common basic word in Hindi as well as in Punjabi. But at that very moment I got stuck. मेरे को याद ही नहीं आ रहा था ये सुनसान क्या होता है. तो what did I do? मैंने वो सुनसान भरा Google पे that what this word sunsan is called in English. And immediately it came up with the results. It is deserted. It can be abandoned. Quiet, lonely. Now it depends that in what context I have to use, which word I have to choose out of all these. So this is another tip. So first thing is you acquaint everything you see around. Acquaint yourself with their English names. अब नहीं आते हैं, then you try to find these English names from the Google itself. थर्ड थिंग व्हाट यू कैन डू, आप कोई ना कोई इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी अपने फ़ोन पे जरूर डाउनलोड करें, उसकी भी बड़ी एडवांटेज होती है. अब बाद में इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ क्या आती है, हाउ टू फ्रेम द सेंटेंसेस, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली वी आर टू वर्क ऑन आवर कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स एंड टू कम्युनिकेट विद समबडी वी हैव टू टॉक in English, that how to frame the sentences and how to get these things done. तो उसके लिए nothing to worry about, my dear friends. It's very simple. Learning English is not at all a rocket science. आपने देखा आपको नहीं आया, सिंपली किसी की हेल्प नहीं मिल रही है, आप गूगल पे जाएं, immediately you will come up with the solutions. अब आ गई बात, how much grammar I need to frame these kinds of sentences. You simply begin from your daily routine. एक नज़र मारिए. What do you do the moment you get up in the morning and till the moment when you hit the sack, जब आप सोने जाते हैं. Whatever we do the whole day, we get up and we get ready for our work, we take breakfast, we leave for the job, whatever we do there, we are back. ये सारी चीज़ें, जो सारी बातें हम कर रहे हैं, these are all related to the present time only. तो इसके लिए सिर्फ आपको present tense ही चाहिए. तो you start framing the sentences this way by using just simply the present tense. उसके बाद आप करना बीत चुके टाइम की बातें, क्योंकि और ज़्यादा बातें हम आपस में कन्वर्स क्या करते हैं, जो पास्ट में हो चुका है. तो जो पास्ट में हो चुका है उसके लिए वी नीड द पास्ट टेंस. तो फॉर द टाइम बीइंग यू सिंपली डू वन थिंग, यू familiarize yourself with the English names of everything you see around you. Second, you find the difficulty, take the help of the Google, or you may ask your friends also. Third, start framing sentences by using simple present tense. For the time being, you do this thing only. And besides this, I want to say you something, that do self-pep talk. Whenever you feel you are stuck, whenever you find yourself at the verge of like you are about to give up, very important thing, not at all give up. You shouldn't give up. Never let this thought come in your mind. You just go through one of my videos. Recently I had posted that video, that is a small video on self-pep talk. And what is self-pep talk? Motivate yourself. Because एक रियलिटी है लाइफ की, पीपल अराउंड यू दे वॉन्ट कम टू यू टू मोटिवेट योर सेल्फ, टू मोटिवेट यू, टू एनकरेज यू. वो आपको डिस्करेज करने तो ज़रूर आएंगे, आपकी गलतियां निकालने तो ज़रूर आएंगे, आपको मोटिवेट करने नहीं आएंगे. वो बहुत ही कोई आपका नियरेस्ट होगा, आपका डियरेस्ट होगा जो आपको ये करेगा. सो डू इट योर सेल्फ, मोटिवेट योर सेल्फ, डू self-pep talk at least once a day, and simply say one thing: I can do it, I can do it. And declutter everything around you, whatsoever is there which distract you, जो आपको distract करे from your goal, उन सबको, including these toxic people around you also, जो आपको discourage करते हैं. Because your life is yours only and you are to grow. This is your choice. So keep on learning your English language, keep on moving on this journey, and never give up, never stop midway. Happy learning.